Pissing down, pissing down. Oh, did I play? I played. Hit play, hit record. Yeah, it's pissing down. We got about half hour. I didn't even want to come out of the house. Fire was on. It was lovely. But I did promise 5 videos of the pickup this week. So yeah, we're down here, do half hour, see what we can do. Thanks for all the comments and stuff so far. I see I get a few dislikes. So we're touching the nerves of some people, I guess. I do love everyone's opinions. If you do a dislike, leave an opinion, you know. Let other people see it, you know. I'm here to help other people, you know, that watch this video 5, 10, 20 years time. And yeah, if you are reading these videos while you're restoring your pickup, read the comments. Tons of great comments and feedbacks of different tools to use, different techniques to do. I'm not going to preach here saying I know what I'm doing 100%. I'm not going to preach that you should use this way and do that way. There's plenty of different ways to do the same task. I'm not going to please everybody. I might not listen to all your advice. I do read the advice. I am just stupid sometimes and just think I'm still right in my own way. So please don't get offended. I don't think most of you guys that are leaving advice do. They appreciate, you know, you giving it, and we all have our own opinion. We're all human, aren't we? So anyway, yeah, give me a thumbs up to compensate the dislikes. But anyway, what am I going to do? Oh, got a new tool turned up, and we'll do a bit more of a... I've never used one, so it'll be a good learning curve. We might have a quick test play of that. Well, let's just go show you that now, because that's why we're here. Alright, you professionals out there will have already seen these and used these. Thanks for all the good advice the other day about using the old screw fix type self-drilling self-tappers, you know, that just automatically drill. Yeah, I might use those one day as well. I do just like my little nuts and bolts. I've got them laying around. I'm going to make a little bit of smaller hole in my head, but I don't know. But thanks again, everyone, as I said, everyone does things differently. So I saw this, talked to Foss. I've got quite a lot of stuff from before, the Paul 15 stuff, things like that. So yeah, they do this tool. I guess other manufacturers do it as well, but I've got this from Foss because, you know, delivery's brilliant, just arrives. And yeah, so you have these little doodads. You basically drill a 1/8 hole or a 3.2mm hole in your 2 panels that you want to join. And then yeah, I've seen these on loads of YouTube videos before and stuff. I've never had them, and you see people with like hundreds of these all holding their car together while they're mocking it up. So I always meant to have got some. But yeah, I don't know if you can see. You squeeze your tool, pardon the expression. The little prongs come out so they go thinner. You feed fake little panels that we've got here. Thank you, Nathan, for making these for the race car that I never used. You feed them through the hole. When you pull it back, you see the prongs getting bigger, and it holds the panels together. Not overly tight, but enough to they're not coming apart. Yeah, cool. And then yeah, you put your tool back on, squeeze your tool. Oh, I'm going to love saying that, squeeze your tool all the time. And again, the kit comes with these ones as well, which look like just slightly different ones for so holding panels together on the outside. Gosh, like that. Can't get simpler, can you? So yeah, I've only got these 10. 10. So we give them a go, and we'll order some more up if they come useful. So yeah, thanks for the fast delivery, Foss. We'll do a bit more of a demo when we actually find some panels to actually do it on. We might just put one through the bulkhead for the moment. Not that it really makes any difference over there, does it? Let me see what I'm going to do next. Oh, just shout out if you've got one of these tools as well and these panels, you know. As I said, I see loads of professional type people using them and even normal DIYers. So yeah, let me know. Not sure why, but I just feel the need for speed. Just try one of these clamps out. Oh, people are disliking this now. He's not marking it, he's not doing anything. I guess what you've got to watch and think about it is when I just drilled the other one just now. When you drill a hole, you should get a bit of burr on the back sometimes, most times. Yeah, so it's mostly worth drilling your panel, cleaning the back edge up before you then lay this panel down and then drill the second hole through the floor, or the bulkhead in this case. Gosh, hey, that's cool. That's good. Look at that. That should be on American Chopper or Fast and Loud or something like that. Don't know if you can see that. It's very stupid little video, isn't it? Oh, brilliant. Alright, well I was about to repair this corner, at least just try and get this solid again before it breaks. It's where it's broken the weld. And I noticed this when I first bought the car, so this floor, the back end of it, it's a bit hard to see because obviously this panel is sitting alright. I don't know if you can see, I'll try and explain. The back of this floor flicks up, or the sill flicks up. I can't tell, I need to talk to some of the pickup people if that's normal. I was expecting this sill to be pretty much straight. You know, why wouldn't it be? Okay, maybe a slight curvature, I do know they're a bit curvy on the saloons. But if you can see, straight edge along that lip, all the way along the main part of it. And as you can see there, I don't know if you can see, the floor raises up. So I'm thinking, oh yeah, you know, and the other side's doing it, so you then start thinking, okay, maybe it's meant to be like that. But yeah, it's quite strange that, you know, that rear heel board ain't really moving too much. It's in a certain position. It's pretty solid. And then if we put I'll see if I can get the light in here. You know, you're thinking, oh, maybe the panel's been dropped or over time and whatever, you know, and you know, you don't know the history of it. You can't see that, but basically, the floor is flat. So it's purely the sill that's bent. So, what's that actually saying to me? I'm thinking, oh, the back's bent up. But what we could be saying is the front has bent down a bit. Yeah. You know, because obviously there's nothing at the moment where the shell's been sitting and stuff like that. Yeah. That's it. We've bingoed it, I think, haven't we? Basically, where the shell's been sitting, just on the door frames itself, it's pushed the sill down, I guess, a bit. And yeah, at the back it hasn't, because obviously there's nothing in it. So, yeah, I wonder if that's one of the issues. But yeah, I need to research. Maybe that they do flick up a little bit anyway. I do know sometimes they're a little bit curved. So, if anyone knows, let me know, just in case. Yeah, before I do anything more surely, but I don't think so. I can research anyway. It's very hard to tell, but looking down the line of it actually, the really camera doesn't do it justice. But basically, there's quite a bit of a bulge out, just along there, obviously where it's been manhandled at some point. Mostly not by me. So I think actually, so basically the outer part of the sill's bent outwards. So all we need to do is bend it back in, and that will lift that gap, that imaginary gap that's not, you know, what we're seeing. It will straighten it up. Yeah. I just haven't got a hammer with me. Okay, gonna leave it there. I need to think about this. We need to just figure out, I think I know what's going on. We just need to take a bit of weight off it, take the shell's weight off it a bit. Bring down the old hammer and adjustment tool. I'm not too panicking because the floor's level. I'll put the, you know, straight thing in, so it's purely around the sill area. So we double check to see if there is any curvature on the back of those sills compared to a normal saloon. As I said, I do know the saloons do curve a little bit. But yeah, so we'll bring the extra tools down next time and see if we can get this body part a lot happier. Because I don't think it's not worth doing any more alignment yet until we're actually happy that the actual top of the body's sitting or looking quite right. And it will flow into place anyway once the measurements are done anyway. So as I said, I think it's a combination of this floor being around the unit for a good couple of years, a case of the body sitting on top of it for a while. So yeah, I think it's not, hopefully it's not a major issue. If it is, it is, you know, it's life, innit? So yeah, give us your thoughts. Tell me to back the hell away. And it's cold. But yeah, So I hope you like me squeezing my tool. I think it's quite a good tool so far. We'll try and use it a bit more. So anyway, a bit of a short video, but I've got a bit of time off. So hopefully Thursday and Friday videos will be a little bit more productive, but you never know. Just spending a bit of time on this is more productive. I had fish and chips for tea, just in case Malcolm, you were asking. Be interested. I haven't seen what you've had for dinner for the last couple of days, and hopefully you haven't starved yourself. But anyway, yeah, keep the comments coming. Love to read them all. I'll try and read them all as much as I can. And thanks for all the advice. So heard from Play Mini that most of my panels are in for the front end. I've ordered up rear wheel arches as well, just so at least we've got them. We're sitting here, we've got all the panels waiting. Front end, front panel. I'm not too sure if all the wings came in or not. I can't remember now. I think one of the wings is a little bit later on in February. But yeah, that'd be nice to get all that on and just see that again. It helps all the alignment again with all the measuring and plumb lines and stuff. But yeah, you know, if your front end don't fit as well, there's something else, you know, you need to figure stuff out. Anyway, till next time, thanks for following.